There are 60 million new reasons to visit Dreamworld this afternoon. The theme park announcing a host of new attractions for locals and visitors to enjoy. Isabel Quinlan spoke with the CEO.
It's been a huge morning here at Dreamworld with more than $60 million worth of announcements. I'm joined by Greg Yong, the CEO. Greg, tell us a little about what's coming to Dreamworld.
So I can barely remember it, there's so much coming. First of all, we've got circus coming in December, school holidays. We've got a big top show, we've got circus throughout the park. Really, really exciting. And then right here at Dreamworld, at the front of the park, we've got this brand new ride called the Dreamworld Flyer, which is a wave swinger, beautiful piece of art, and it's going to be here next year. So we're actually building that right now as we speak. And then a brand new ride called Jungle Rush, which is a family coaster. It's about grandma or grandpa riding with little kids, and it's $35 million worth of new investment just in that ride alone. So this is the biggest investment at Dreamworld in the history of the park. And
there's also a bit of changes going on to Tiger Island. Can you run us through a little bit what's happening there?
Yeah, so Tiger Island as it is today, and it's been famous since 1995, has all been about tiger handlers and tigers in the same space in what we call a full contact environment. And what we're doing is changing that to a protected contact environment where the handlers and the tigers won't be in the same space going forward. But that's a 12 to 18 month change, and so guests won't see any difference today. And in 18 months' time, it'll be tigers, we'll still have presentations, it'll just be different because our handlers and tigers will be in different spaces.
You guys have done, I guess, the best quarter you had in quite a while. How I guess, excited are you for the future here?
Look, absolutely, we're just pumped about the future. You're right, we just announced for the first quarter of this year, we've made a profit for the first time in 6 years. And that's really meaningful for the Gold Coast, for our team, and confidence in the business. And so if I think about what we're doing, we've spent $32 million on Steel Tiger, we're announcing $60 million of new investment today. That's $80 million plus of investment into Dreamworld, but I think about that as investment into the Gold Coast.
Thank you so much for joining me, Greg.
New roller coasters, attractions and area upgrades. Dreamworld today revealing its $60 million theme park expansion.
Big things are coming to Dreamworld. Today launching the second phase of its future growth plan, investing more than $50 million into new rides, attractions and area upgrades.
We've got circus coming in December, school holidays. We've got a big top show, we've got circus throughout the park. Really, really exciting. And then right here at Dreamworld, at the front of the park, we've got this brand new ride called the Dreamworld Flyer.
There will also be a brand new kids zone, transforming the current DreamWorks area into Kenny and Belinda's Dreamland. A new precinct called Rivertown, which will be home to the redesigned vintage car adventure, and the most significant investment, Jungle Rush, a new world-class roller coaster.
It's $35 million worth of new investment just in that ride alone.
A crowd favourite that will see a change is Tiger Island. Over the next 12 to 18 months, handlers and tigers will not be interacting in the same enclosures, moving towards a non-contact program.
A lot of it is around staffing and having enough trained and talented people to do what they do, which is really important. It enhances safety, there's no doubt about that.
Really excited to see what's coming over the next couple of years for it.
Thrill seekers ready for the action.
That is so exciting. That'd be awesome. Very keen.
Isabel Quinlan, 9 Gold Coast News.